Hello friends, welcome to the creation of WordPress web page. WordPress is an open source software for creating a website. Having a website has various advantages for a teaching faculty. It will help to share the study materials for the students. Also, it will help to assist the students by providing activities and assignments. In this session, we will go through the steps for creating a web page, customizing your site, create a blog post, creating a menu or a post, reordering a menu. To begin with, let us go for the WordPress web page. So under the Google I have typed WordPress. Here you can go for create your own website. A web page will be opened wherein you are getting an option to get started. Press on get started. So here it shows one of the 3 steps wherein you can complete the process of creating your web page. So you have certain steps, like you have to write the name of your site, what for it is used, and what are the primary goals of your website. So if you just continue, we'll have to give the name, we have to select the name, and some easy 3 steps are there to be followed. Now what shall I do is, I'll just open up my site, I log in into my site which I have already created. Now this is the site which is being created by me. Now as I said earlier, I will just go through some simple things wherein just some few things wherein we can create or update our websites. So in this page which has been created by me, you have an option of my sites. Click on my sites. So here you have a pop down menu. You can just see here it is showing the name of the user. So this is my name followed with this is my web page address followed with my name wordpress.com. So here you can add the sites, blogs, media, and we can do the comments, customize the themes, and so on. Now the simple thing is, let us see how to add the blog. So this is one of the blog which is present here. The name ICT I have given. The name ICT I have given some message here. So let me see how to show you how to do this one. So here go for blog posts. So here these are all some of the blogs which already have been generated. If I want to add a new blog, click on add button. So here you have to type the title. I'll just give some simple title as an example. So this is the title of my blog. Now here we are having the different options, like I can add the content from somewhere, that is I can import the contents from the other sources, or I can copy the paragraph. Here you can just see that you have some options which are present in your Microsoft Word, which is well known by all. Also we can add a link, we can insert a link from the outer sources in your system, from your system, and so on. And also you can go for the HTML view. So just I will start, I can just type some message. Let me type so this is the message what I have typed. So after typing this, I can just preview my blog, how it appears on my site here. So just now I created this blog, and this is the way how it is going to appear. So once I do this, I have now previewed my site, and you can just see the other sites are also still present here. The other blogs are still present here. So once you preview, if you are satisfied, just close here and go for publish. So it asks whether we have to publish immediately and whether it's a we have to publish it publicly. So I just say I want to publish it immediately. I'll just go for publishing. So now you can just see that it has been published. Now here the next thing what we can do here is, I will show you one of the main things wherein we can go for again I'll just go for my sites. If I want to customize the themes, I can do it here, or if I want to let us go for this add the media. This add the media is one of the option wherein you can go for addition of the course materials in your website. So go for add media. Here it is giving the option of you can add the images, documents, videos, audios, etc. Now let us take an example. I want to add some file. I'll just go for add new. Now it gives you what is the thing you want to add here. So I'll just go for some material here. I want to add some PPT here, so I'll just say open. So this is the material which is now getting added. So in this way I can add the material, I can get the material from the resources available in your system. This can be saved and it can be used for the later use. Then next we'll just go for a very important one, that is how you are going to create your own menus. So to do that, just copy your website here and just go for wp-admin. So this opens your dashboard. This is the dashboard of your website. So here you have many of the options again. You can view your posts, whatever you have done. You can view your media from the library as I have done just now. You can go for inserting the links. You can go for inserting the pages and so on. I will go now go through the details about the appearance of how we are going to have your web page. So just click on the appearance button here. So you have many of the options under this appearance. The first one is themes. So I can go for changing of the themes of my web page. I can customize my web page. I can add some widgets to the web page. Here let me go for this one, how to add the menus to your web page. So just click on menu. So these are all this is the menu structure which is already present for my website. Now if I suppose want to add a new one, then I can go for create a new menu. So under this create a new menu, I can just select it to be the, I can just go for create the menu name here. Let me say this IIT Mumbai. So new menu, now it's a create menu. A new menu will now be created. So if I want to add the pages, I can automatically add it to the top level. Now if I just view, say view all, so here you will be able to see my newly added, after I save this menu, I can view that. So this is how we are going to add the menus. Now how you can reorder the menus. I can just go for, so this is my present menu. I can reorder the structure in this menu. Now suppose you can just observe here, this is NPTEL and I want to make this next one as a sub item of this NPTEL. Then I can just drag this. So if I drag this and leave under this, then it is shown as a sub item for this NPTEL. In the same way, if I want to make this menu to be at the top, I can just drag it and bring it at the top of your menu. And once I do this, I'll have to save the menu. So once it is saved, it shows that it has been updated. I can just go for my sites and I can view the changes whatever has been present in here. So you can just see here, earlier this was at the bottom, now we are able to see it here, observe it here, and I have added NPTEL, one item for this NPTEL which is also shown here. So now once after going through the menu structure and addition and deletion of the menus, let me just again go for my sites, and now I can show you how to add the different site pages. So if I want, these are all my present pages which I have already created. If I want to add a new page, I can just go for click add on the site pages. Again, I can give the topic here, and I can add some content from the media. I now adding the content from the media. So just this is one of the content which I want to add. So here go for insert. So this will be inserted in your title under this title IIT. So now I can just go for the previewing of this page. So once I preview this page, so you can just see here IIT is one of the page or a site which I have created, and this is the content what I am added for this. So now if it's a link which is present from the media which is available. So if I just click on this, the information is going to appear here. So here we have the information which we can open. So this is the information which has been opened here. Now again, I can just, as I'm satisfied with this, if I'm satisfied with this, then I'll just close this and I'll go for publish. So again, I can just, I want to immediately publish, or also I can schedule this for the different dates. Suppose I want to publish it on 30th, then I can just click here. Otherwise, I can just go for publish immediately. So that will be again published. So once it is published, I can visit the site. So here I am able to view this page. Again, I can go for the visit site. So this is my site. So under my sites, again, the same way you have, as already explained how to add the blog, I have explained how to add the media, and also you can give the comments which is already present, and I can update that. Now suppose I want to again update this my page IIT. I can just go for this. Now again, if I add, see, earlier it was showing the thing here, the tab as publish. Now as it's a present page, it next time whenever you keep on adding the things here, it just shows as update. So we have to update the page and again close. So this is how you can update your present pages, or also you can add the new pages. If I just go to my site, and if I say view site, it shows my present page. So friends, whatever options I have explained are very few from the available many such options in the WordPress. Learners can explore these options and enhance their skills regarding the WordPress. Thank you.